So what are the benefits of marine collagen? Collagen is the protein that gives your skin elasticity and plumpness. The body produces it naturally, but as we age, its ability to create it declines. This is where marine collagen can help. Renowned for its high collagen content, it is thought to give your natural collagen production a boost, meaning it helps the skin to repair itself. Whilst marine collagen, like other forms of collagen, can help to support a number of different areas, including sleep quality, gut health, heart health, and muscle mass, it also has a few unique benefits of its own. Marine collagen is classified as a type 1 collagen, meaning it is one of the most abundant and useful forms of collagen in the body. Type 1 collagen can be found in tendons, ligaments, skin, bones, teeth, hair, and nails. This means supplementing with a marine collagen may lead to improved skin health, bone health, and stronger hair and nails. Marine collagen is known to be absorbed well by the body and reportedly gets to work faster than other types of collagen. In fact, according to a 2016 study, just 8 weeks of marine collagen supplementation resulted in remarkably improved skin elasticity, thickness, and density. Finally, marine collagen is considered as one of the more eco-friendly and sustainable forms of collagen. So it's easy to incorporate marine collagen into your daily routine, whether it be through supplements, adding powders to drinks or recipes, or taking liquid shots.